students, today we'll discuss is2, m2, r2, was2 and were2. So the thing is that we have been studying that we can't use to with the helping verbs, which is completely wrong. Okay, so these things are exist in our grammar, which consider an important task. So that is2, m2, r2 we have to use for our present important task. So wherever the task and the actions which you are doing is important for you, so in that case we have to use these things. Okay, let's see an example. I am to get up early for my class, which means it is very important for me to get up early for my class. So rather than using that it is important for me to get up early in the class, you can use I am to get up early in the morning for my class. Next, for past tenses, we use was2 and were2. Similarly, as in present, we have to use is2, m2, r2 to consider or to reflect our important task towards our work or towards our study. So as similar way, we have to use was2 and were2 to consider as past important action. I was to get up early in the morning because of my exam, which means it was important to me to get up early for my exam. Thank you.